Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today we're doing the 3-in-1 wireless charging station unboxing and review real quick. This does support Android and Apple devices. We're going to open it up from the back here. Everything will just kind of fall out of place. It comes with the brick you're going to need, the charging cable, of course, and the dock station. Let's take a look at this here. All right, so here is the station we got. It's got the fast charge for your Android device or your iPhone, the watch charging station, and the case for your Android Pods or AirPods station right here. On the bottom, it's got a little rubber part to help stop movement on your phone or case if it gets bumped or anything. On the back is where it plugs in. So in a second here, I am going to pause it and we're going to plug this in and test it out. Alright, so I have it plugged in now. So what I'm going to do is just stick my Android device right on here. And you can see it is charging. Also on the bottom, a little green light pops up that it is charging. And now I'm going to set my Samsung case on here. And that's charging as well because the light on the bottom came on. Super nice. The rubber on the bottom kind of honestly mounts this really well to the base so it doesn't slip around and slide around. I'm going to unplug that real quick. Overall, really nice design. There is a holder for your watch as well. It's got little pads in the bottom to anti-slip. Really nice, sleek design. It charges very fast as well, as is a fast charge for the wirelessness. But yeah, that is it. I hope you have a great rest of your day.